Hello and welcome back to Phrenology Ticker. I am Srishti Jain, Chief Product Officer of Ticker, and I'll be sharing a series of videos on how to use Ticker to pick great stocks. 4 videos of this series is already out. Watch them from this playlist if you have missed it. It feels good to know that your friends also have the same stocks in their portfolio which you have. But it feels amazing to know that few of your stocks are also in the portfolio of big investors like Sir Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Radhakishan Damani ji, Vijay Kedia ji, etc. The reason for this happiness is we get confidence that big people have also invested in that company. But where to find portfolio of these super investors? Well, Ticker hai na. Visit ticker.phrenology.in. In the top menu, click on Super Investors. Here you can see the portfolio of various super investors of India for free. Ticker has covered portfolios of 70 plus investors in this page. Some are renowned like Ashish Kacholia, Monish Pabrai, Nemish Bhai, the Mani Sir, our Big Bull, Vijay Kedia, etc. You can search for your favorite investor by typing their name in the search box. For example, I want to see portfolio of Radhakishan Damani, so I will type it in the search box and get his card on top. Here, I will click on View Holdings button. It will take us to detailed page of Damani sir. At the top, we can see his total net worth and then a brief introduction about him. Damani sir has a net worth of more than 1,80,000 crores. It means this is the total of all his holdings which is publicly available. Or in easy words, if he sell all his holdings today, he will get 1,80,000 in return. Of course, he will have to pay taxes. So at the top, we can see net worth of every investor and get the idea about how big the person or his portfolio is. It is updated daily based on the price changes of the stocks. Next in the table, we can see that he has total 16 stocks in his portfolio, out of which 14 are active stocks. Active stocks mean that currently he is holding some percentage stake in that company. We can see that in Astra Microwave Products Limited and Metropolis Healthcare Limited, he currently has 0%, which is why they are not counted in active, but shown here because he had stake in them in previous quarter. The table here shows stocks and their holding percentage in recent 5 quarters. Every data is derived from the shareholding release of the company to the exchanges every quarter. In the last column, we have value, which shows what is the holding value based on stake in that particular stock. We can sort on basis of holding value and percentages in the table. For example, if we sort on basis of value, the biggest investment of Damani sir is in Avenue Supermarts Limited, popularly known as D-Mart. It is his own company and he holds 67.24% stake in it, which is valued at around 1,81,000 today. With the increase in price of the share, the holding value also increases. If we want to check in which stock the value is minimum, we can sort by clicking again on this arrow and we can get the result that Mangalam Organics Limited is lowest by holding value. So, if any of your friends ask you that what is the top holding of Damani sir, then simply show them ticker, sort by value and then top holdings based on it. Here we can see that D-Mart, India Cements, VST Industries, Trent and Sundaram Finance are the top 5 holdings of him. Now, Ticker has shown you the previous 5 quarter holdings of any stock for super investors. The reason for this is to know if the investor has sold any stock compared to previous quarter or bought any new stock. Like Damani sir has decreased his holding by 0.26% in Andhra Paper Company. Let's go back and see the portfolio of Vijay Kedia sir. Here we can see that he has sold all of his holdings in Heritage Foods and Panasonic India as compared to previous quarter. If we look closely, we can see that he is increasing his holdings in Atul Auto since 5 quarters. Also, he bought a new stock, Om Infra, in September 2023 quarter. So, just by a single table, we get so much of information about super investors' portfolio. Their portfolio can give us insights into stocks with strong growth potential. But buying any stock just because they have it in their portfolio is not a wise decision. It is because we never know the exact date or price when the investors buy or sell. We get to know their stocks only after 2-3 months when the quarterly shareholding is released by the company. So, it can be the case that an investor has sold off his position in August and we come to know of that in October when the shareholding is released. This is why it is advised to only take ideas from their portfolio and not blindly follow it. To do the analysis, you can click on any company name and get A to Z detail about it. For example, I like retail sector, so I will want to do the analysis of Vaibhav Global. Let's click on the company name. We have covered in our first video of this series on how to do fundamental analysis. Watch that video before going further. Here you will find charts, peers, ratios, shareholdings, financial statements, corporate actions, reports, analysis, news, etc. Everything in detail about the company. You can also check which other investors have invested in the company by clicking on the shareholding button. We can see only 14.48% is with the public investors. Promoters have around 57% and FII, foreign institutional investors, have 22.6%. To check the names of the investors, we have to click on this button. Here, you get to know if any other super investors have also invested in the company. Like Mr. Ashish Kacholia also has 1.2% stake with value of 82 crores in the company. This can be a positive sign. In the table below, we can check the name of promoters. Brett Enterprises is the major promoter of the company with 55% stake. The other investors include Malabar India Fund, Nalanda India Fund, Motilal Oswal Small Cap Index Fund, etc. This information helps us in knowing if any major fund houses have the stock in their portfolio or not. Rest, we can do the fundamental analysis in detail on the company. So that's all for Super Investors feature and how to check their holdings in Ticker. We are coming up with more features in this soon to make analysis super easy. Till then, comment down the name of the investor you want us to add in Ticker whose shareholding is publicly available in the exchanges. Like, share and subscribe to Finology Ticker for more such videos. Thank you.